Hello, in this video, you will learn how to build an e-commerce website using Odoo. Start by logging into your Odoo account and navigate to the website app. From there, you can click on Create to start a new website or select an existing one to edit. However, if you don't have an account yet, you can start now for free. You just gotta click this button right here, and now you gotta click e-commerce and click continue to proceed to the next step. And now once you're here, you just gotta fill out the needed information and details like your first and last name, what would you want your website name to be, and what's your email, your phone number, your country, your language, and make sure that this information and details are all filled out so that you will be successful in creating your e-commerce website. And after you filled out everything, you just gotta click the start now button, and after that you can choose the e-commerce option to enable online store features. You can then add product pages by going to the product sections where you will input product details such as the name, the price, the description, and the images. You can customize your website layout as well by dragging and dropping sections to create an appealing design. You can make sure to set up payment methods and shipping options under the e-commerce settings to allow customers to complete purchases smoothly. And once everything is set, you can preview your website and publish it when ready. Like and subscribe if this helped.